Welcome to my World Egg Day kitchen, and in celebration of beautiful Australian eggs, I have a surprise box where I have been challenged to see what I can make with the versatile, glorious eggs that are inside.
It's World Egg Day, it's Mystery Box Challenge from Australian Eggs. Eggs are the ultimate cost-effective filling source of protein.
I'm taking inspiration from my Persian roots. This is my version of tahchin. This dish comes out every single family get-together.
Omelette-filled rice paper spring roll that I'm then also going to stuff with cheese and fry in a hot pan so that the cheese is all oozy and gooey.
Crispy golden baked rice infused with saffron.
Look at that omelette-y, cheesy, chivy, chili goodness.
To get this recipe and more, head to australianeggs.org.au.
So good. I will see you